In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an internet link shortcut on your desktop using Google Chrome. This quick and easy process can make accessing your favorite websites a breeze by simply double-clicking an icon right from your desktop. Whether it's a page you visit frequently for work, school, or leisure, having a desktop shortcut can save you time and keep your browsing organized. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome and navigate to the website you want to create a shortcut for. Make sure you fully loaded the page you want to have easy access to, as this will be the page the shortcut directs you to every time it's used. Once you have reached your desired site, keep the window open. Next, you'll want to resize your Chrome browser window in a way that allows you to see both the browser and your desktop at the same time. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners or edges of the window to make it smaller, revealing the desktop space underneath. Having both in view will make it easier to drag and drop the shortcut icon later, so adjust it as needed. Now, turn your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser window. Here, you'll see an icon located to the left of the website's address. This icon might appear as a small padlock or another symbol, depending on the website and your security settings. This icon represents the web page itself, and it's what you'll need to focus on for creating your shortcut. Click and hold that icon with your mouse or trackpad. It might seem like a small step, but holding the icon is crucial before proceeding to the next phase. While still holding down the click, drag the icon toward your desktop. As you do this, you'll notice a small plus or arrow appear, indicating that you're about to create a shortcut link. Once you've navigated your cursor over your desktop with the icon still held, release the mouse button. Instantly, a new icon should appear on your desktop. This icon acts as a shortcut to the web page, and double-clicking it in the future will take you directly to the specified site in your default browser. And there you have it. You've successfully placed a shortcut to a web page on your desktop. Repeat these steps for any additional sites you wish to create shortcuts for, and enjoy streamlined access to your most visited sites. Having these direct links can enhance your workflow, keeping your desktop tailored to your browsing needs. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.